Okay, hello traders, hello everyone. Today I will talk about Japanese yen, yeah, about maybe new selling positions, about the dollar index, because it seems that the dollar index has shown some overbought signs, okay, after its strong rally. Also, I will talk about gold, and as you already know, I will take a look on all markets, and also I'm waiting for messages for questions into the YouTube chat if you want me to take a look on a specific market. But please, if you want me to take a look on I don't know, on silver, on US oil, on gold, I don't know, please tell me what you are looking at, because um, Adam Queen, how can we review our open position on British pound, Japanese yen? I will take a look on that market as well, but that is Orlando's trade. I'm waiting also. He will come back with his update, yeah, because it's his trade, and he will come back with his trade management. So here is the disclaimer. But Adam Queen, for you, I will take a look on that market, and I will share my opinion, my analysis, yeah. So risk disclaimer, please read it. It's important for you to understand the risks before trading on financial markets, on CFDs, commodities, Forex pairs, I don't know, yeah, cryptocurrencies, indexes, and you can also email support if you have questions about subscription services, yeah, brokerage companies, and also, guys. Please be patient if you'll email support. There are thousand of messages that they need to process, but the support team will come back to you guys. Yeah. So let's start with that market, Adam Queen, for you. British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, so personally I've deleted my drawings here, because I'm deleting my drawings maybe all the time. There are moments when I'm deleting my I'm deleting maybe my drawings almost every day, trying to build new ones. Because maybe I will identify something else, maybe I'm missing something or something. So in my opinion, British pound, Japanese yen, yeah. Let's start. Before talking about the Japanese yen, I will start with yen basket, guys. So here on the 4-hour, you can see that it continues to stay below this downtrend line. And I've said today, and I believe that I've said also yesterday, good evening, how are you, Sina, Boon? As I've said here, guys, that the yen basket maintains a bearish bias, okay, after this temporary rebound. And I've said that a potential new downside movement here on the yen basket could force the Japanese yen to depreciate, okay? So Adam Queen, in my opinion, as long as it stays above the immediate downtrend line, below this downtrend line, immediate downtrend line, below this downtrend line here, below the weekly pivot point here, the bias is bearish, and if the Japanese yen basket will continue to drop, if it will approach and reach fresh new lows, despite maybe, I don't know, temporary rebounds, retest, potential deeper drop here could force the Japanese yen to depreciate versus its rival. So so let's go back. So the bias is bearish here. This was only a temporary rebound, maybe. And I've talked about something like this yesterday when I've talked about euro versus the Japanese yen, about potential flag up channel. And right now it has dropped below this immediate low. In my opinion, if we'll take a look on lower time frames also here, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below 82.71, a new lower low could activate a potential downside movement. So that's why, let's take a look. GBP, Japanese yen. One moment, guys, and I'm waiting for messages, for questions. If you want me to take a look on a specific market, I have to check something. One moment. Okay, yeah. Okay, so British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, so let's go back 1 hour. Also, let's try to build something here. Okay, like a new analysis. Okay, so in my opinion, as long as it stays above the immediate uptrend line, the bias is still bullish. Okay, because you can see here, yeah, that we had an uptrend, yeah, an uptrend here, a correction. Let's also use here Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and how the unemployment claims affected gold. We'll take a look also on US dollar index, on major pairs, on gold, silver, US oil. Please be patient, guys. Thank you for your messages. Thanks for being here, and don't forget, guys, to like this video. Yeah, it will be helpful for me to the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, and yeah. Thank you. So correction here, it has found support on the 38.2, yeah, and we had here something, yeah, maybe something like this, like I don't know, channel or falling wedge, yeah. We had also maybe a falling wedge pattern, something like this, breakout, retest, and then the British pound versus the Japanese yen turned it to the upside. Okay, so here a breakout, something like an accumulation, consolidation, and here breakout above the above the 23.6, test, retest. So that's why, Adam Quinn, in my opinion, the bias is still bullish here on the British pound versus the Japanese yen, despite maybe temporary retreats on lower time frames. And right now, yeah. In my opinion, staying, as long as it stays above the immediate uptrend line, above the 23.6, the bias is bullish. And yeah, of course, we'll need confirmation maybe for an upside continuation and a new higher high here, breakout here, a value breakout above 162.24 could activate potential for their growth. So in my opinion, Adam Quinn, the bias is still bullish, okay, in the short term. And yeah, of course, we can talk also about this, I don't know, channel like this, I don't know, maybe something like this, up channel, okay? But a value breakout here, new higher high could signal potential growth, and of course we have a potential upside target here at the channel's upside line. And in my opinion also, only a potential value breakdown below the uptrend line, maybe a new lower low, yeah, here could invalidate potential upside continuation and could signal that maybe the currency pair will turn to the downside. And maybe, yeah, of course, if something like this will happen, of course, maybe Orlando will manage its position or something, or yeah, maybe Orlando will manage its position before something like this, okay? So right now, in my opinion, the bias is bullish, and as I've said, here yen basket, the bias is bearish, a new lower low, downside movement, downside continuation could push the British pound versus the Japanese yen higher. Okay, so yeah, I will talk also later about the Japanese yen. I will take a look also on Canadian dollar Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, Euro Japanese yen, Australian dollar Japanese yen, because maybe I will identify new great opportunities, Japanese yen shorts, okay? Because yeah, I really want to maybe to take a look on, or actually to open a trade, to share a trade during this live webinar. So Sina, Nasdaq, please. Yeah, I will take a look on Nasdaq US 100. Okay, so let's do something like this. Yeah, I will try to answer to your questions. First of all, yeah, if you have questions, if you want to take a look on a specific market, please also Sina, Kamipur, sorry, what you are looking at here on US 100, because maybe personally I will analyze, I will take a look on only, I don't know, on 4 hour, on 1 hour, on daily, on 15 minutes, and maybe you want something else. You want you are looking on another time frame, yeah, or you want something else. But here on US 100, unfortunately, the price section failed to confirm a potential upside continuation after guys maybe also dropping here below 14,728.5. okay, so yeah, right now it has turned to the downside, but maybe I will keep an eye on this area, maybe 14,331.5 around the weekly S2. I will go back here. So after something like this, strong upwards movements, maybe a temporary retreat, a correction was somehow expected, and a larger retreat correction was activated, as I said earlier, after this breakdown below 23.6, so 14,728, guys. Okay, but you can see that right now is located above 38.2, above this area here, key level, maybe so former resistance, maybe 1 hour. Okay, so we are on 1 hour, so key level maybe here around right below the 38.2, around the weekly S2. So yeah, maybe this will be only a temporary retreat, temporary correction before it will turn to the upside again. So one moment, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, please take a look here. So 1, 2, and 3, a descending pitchfork. Unfortunately, it has failed here to retest the upper medium line. So it has registered only a valid breakdown here below the medium line. It has resumed its drop, its sell-off, but right now it has reached the lower medium line, which acts as dynamic support, and also it's located here above the 38.2. And in my opinion, maybe we'll have something here. I don't know. Maybe we'll have to take a look on lower time frames, on 15 minutes or something. So something like a triangle here, something, or maybe we'll have something like a range pattern in the short term. Okay, maybe something like this, yeah, here in the short term. But personally, I'll wait. We are here right above a support zone, support area, okay? And as I've said, this could be only a temporary retreat, temporary drop. And maybe I will look for something here, but I don't have confirmation yet, yeah, because this could the downside movement could resume if the price will make a new lower low, if it makes a breakdown, if it drops, stabilizes below the lower medium line as well, below the 38.2, below 14,331. But right now, personally, I will look maybe for longs, for buying opportunities here in the short term on the US 100, because let's take a look on lower time frames. So 15 minutes, okay, 15 minutes, yeah. So something like a triangle here, like a pattern. But I'll wait. Maybe if I will decide to go long, maybe I'll wait. I want a valid breakout, maybe also a breakout here above the medium line, okay? So because don't forget that we could also have something like only a false breakout, yeah, and then a valid breakdown, a valid breakout to the downside, okay? So you have to be careful here. Anything could happen. Right now the volatility is high, right after the US Open. And yeah, we could have also false breakouts, okay? False breakout could signal a downside breakout, okay? Or something like this. If the price drops, false breakdown, it could signal potential upside breakout here. And also, don't forget that the price could also could move also within this range here in the short term. And if the price will move in range, maybe we'll have to wait, guys, for a valid breakout from this range pattern, okay? Valid breakout above 14,653, or a valid breakdown here below 14,394 or something, okay? So right now I don't have something really good, Sina, because the price moves sideways here, yeah, and the pressure is still high, so we need a strong confirmation maybe before we'll decide to go long again or something. But right now, as I've said, we have a correction, is in a correction right now in the short term. But here we have these former highs, yeah, former resistance levels as support. Okay, so it could, after reaching this support, it could turn to the upside again, or only a value breakdown. It could open the door for a larger correction here on US 100. Okay, so someone asked me about Mascara, when are signals dropping? I'm new to your team. Okay, so yeah, maybe we'll change a few things here. But yeah, as you already know, when we have something really good, or actually maybe there are days when we will not send anything, but yeah, we'll try to send at least a trade per day. Okay, at least. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there will be days when we'll send I don't know, 2, 3, 4 trades per day. Okay, maybe because maybe we'll also we'll try to identify also intraday trades on lower time frames. So yeah, we'll have also so we'll have at least a trade per day. But maybe there will be days when we don't have something really good, because we are trying to identify high probability trades. Okay, even if we'll even if we have also bad trades. This is trading. Trading is not only about profitable trades. Unfortunately, even if you are an experienced trader, you will also, I don't know, have bad trades, bad days. But we'll try to identify high probability trades, and we'll share our trades with the VIP members into the VIP group. So when we'll decide to share something, to send a trade, you will find it in the VIP Telegram group. Okay, Mascara. Okay, so also something like this here on US 100. I will continue. Please, guys, if you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market. So also 1, 2, and 3 on ascending pitchfork here. Please take a look. It has failed here to stabilize above the upper medium line, signaling that maybe the upwards movement ended. And here, guys, maybe personally I want the price to hit the lower medium line, the 38.2, to retest it, to print here something, to register maybe only false breakdowns before it will turn to the upside. Okay, so support zone here. Dollar index. Let's take a look. Sina, thank you as well. Don't forget to like this this video. So unfortunately, maybe I will delete this uptrend line here. If you remember, I've talked about this extended range here, and also here I've talked about a new leg higher after reaching 97.73. Personally, I have 1, 2, and 3 on ascending pitchfork here. If you want to use pitchfork, you will find it here: pitchfork, shift pitchfork, modified shift pitchfork, inside pitchfork, or other tools. So pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. I selected 3 points, 3 pivots, and here false breakdown with great separation below the lower medium line. It has also below below 97.73. It has confirmed this pitchfork, and then upside movement. Also here I've talked about an upside continuation, but unfortunately the price failed here to retest the medium line. It would have helped me to catch maybe potential upside movement. Saif, the gold trade was unfortunately, as I said earlier, these things happen in trading, bad trades as well. But what is really important, or actually, as you already know, we are risking only 1% of our trading account on each trade. So that's trading gold, 1% loss. Okay, so it's up to you. It's also it's your call if you want to follow us, to follow our trades, to follow our trade management. Yeah, and yeah, that gold 1% loss for us. I don't know. It's your call. It's your trading account. It's up to you what you are doing in your trading account. But yeah, as I've said, 1% loss for us here in our real account. So dollar index. I said, guys, that after jumping these former highs, it could extend its upside movement. But right now, it has registered only false breakouts here above the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork, above this dynamic resistance, above this target. Also, only false breakouts above 99.75. So, as I've said earlier today, the dollar index signaled maybe something like an overbought, showed maybe an overbought situation, but as long as it stays above 99.26, 99.41, I don't know, despite a sideways movement, consolidation, accumulation, test, retest, temporary drops, it could still resume its upwards movement. Please take a look. So it has escaped from this major range. So the bias is bullish, guys. Okay, so that's why maybe I'll wait for something. I don't know, after these false breakouts. Yeah. Maybe I'll wait for strong confirmation here, test, retest, false breakdowns, because I want to go long on the US dollar. But right now, as long as the dollar index drops, the US dollar could depreciate versus its rivals. Or if I will have something like this, yeah, a larger correction here, larger drop, I will look for US dollar longs maybe here, maybe after, maybe it will come back to test, retest the medium line. So let's also use here Fibonacci retracement. Maybe I will use it like this. Yeah, let's see. And here only a valid breakdown below the 23.6 could open the door for a larger correction. Or if we'll have only a sideways movement, maybe I will look for US dollar longs, and I will show you something on the. Actually, I've talked about US dollar Swiss franc yesterday, I believe. I wanted, guys, to share maybe this setup with you guys, but unfortunately right now we have something like a resistance area here, resistance zone. Yeah, one moment, and that's why I don't want to go long right now on US dollar versus the Swiss franc, because as you can see here, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc registered only false breakouts here. Yeah, pin bars here, false breakouts with great separation. The pressure is still high here only because and yeah, I will hide it from here because I will not send it right now. If I will decide to go long, yeah, I will come back with a setup. So how do you know when to enter and exit a trade? Sometimes when I enter a trade, it goes down immediately and then goes up. Yeah, you need to have a setup, okay, and rules, okay, strict rules. You have to you need to have a setup, okay. Maybe you need to back test that setup. You don't have to use pitchfork. You don't have to use, I don't know, my tools or my approach, my strategy. Yeah, there are a lot of strategies, tools, techniques, approaches, and what is really important, it's that to create a setup maybe, or to use a strategy that really works, that is which is tested, back tested, or if you want to build your own strategy, you will have to test, to back test it, and you will have rules, okay. So when you have rules, yeah, you will know when to enter, when to exit, where to place your stop loss, where to place your take profit. Let's talk here about US dollar versus the Swiss franc, okay, about this potential setup, okay. This is not a trading recommendation, okay. This is not a signal. This is only my opinion. Everything here is for educational purpose, okay. So let's take a look. US dollar versus the Swiss franc, okay, and downtrend line, breakout, retest, maybe something like a false breakdown with great separation. And also personally I'm using an ascending pitchfork here, 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, medium line, lower medium line, upper medium line. Here the price rallied, retreat, that's why I have an inside sliding line, okay, inside sliding parallel line, as it was a dynamic resistance, and right now it represents a dynamic support. Okay, so maybe if I will decide to go long, one moment, sorry guys. So maybe I want to see a new higher high here, a valid breakout here, and then yeah, it will be maybe I will have an entry here. Maybe if I will decide to open a trade, a pending order, yeah, something like this, like a buy stop above these former highs, something like this, or maybe I'll wait for the price maybe to jump, to close above it, maybe to come back down to retest the broken levels, the former highs, and only then to go long. So this will be maybe my entry, yeah, after a valid breakout. Okay, so or if I will decide to place a buy stop here, maybe I'm expecting something like this, an aggressive rally, retest, and then upside continuation. Okay, so maybe I will have an entry here, and maybe my invalidation level will be here. Okay, my invalidation level could be here below this low, below this spike. Okay, 0.930404. And in my opinion, yeah, if the price jumps here and I don't know, makes only a false breakout and turns back and turns against me, this will be my invalidation level. Okay, so maybe I will place my sell stop here. Okay, if the price drops, maybe it could only retest this level before turning to the upside. But if it will I don't know, if the price turns against me, or if the price fails to reach my entry, and if it drops here below this level, yeah, it could drop deeper, and this is my invalidation level. Okay, so yeah, I know where I want to place my entries, my stop loss, and I don't know if the price will stabilize here above the medium line, if it makes a valid breakout here, a new higher high, and if it continues to grow. Okay, my stop loss maybe will be here below this level, below this invalidation, because if the price drops here below this level, also below the downtrend line, it could come back down towards the lower medium line. Okay, and so my entry here, maybe my stop loss here, and I need maybe a take profit as well. Okay, so I will take a look. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I will select something like a key level. I don't know. Maybe the price will approach and reach. Maybe if it will jump higher, maybe it will approach and reach the former highs. Okay, and after reaching these key levels, maybe it will turn to the downside. Okay, so yeah, maybe I will use as take profits, maybe 0.9431, 0.9660, yeah, maybe the upper medium line. Okay, so here stabilizing above the medium line, test retest, valid breakout could signal potential growth and upside continuation, maybe towards the upper medium line. So yeah, you need to have setups. You need to back test your setups. You really need to understand what is really working, what's working, and yeah, you need to have rules. Okay, and then you will know where to place your entry, your stop loss, your take profits. Okay, and also I've talked about this potential setup here, and yeah, maybe personally, and of course personally, I will maybe even if I will decide to go long here, okay, after a valid breakout here, of course, I will use and I will risk only 1% of the trading account on this position, because anything could happen, guys. Please understand that everything is about probabilities here. Okay, I don't know, maybe even if you will have here a valid breakout, as I said, valid breakout, I don't know, something could happen. Yeah, I don't know, breaking news, I don't know, unexpected events or something that could crash the market, okay? And that's why I have a stop loss here, yeah? And that's why I'm risking only 1% because anything could happen, yeah? Nothing is certain here, okay? Even if you are an experienced trader, yeah, you need to yeah, personally I will not risk more than 1% per trade, okay? Because anything could happen. Even if we don't have here something relevant in our economic calendar, the price, even if, or actually, let's take a look here. Unemployment claims, okay? Better than expected. Earlier today, 166,000, better than expected, yeah? This, maybe there are traders, or actually personally I've expected a potential US dollar rally as well, but you can see that right now the US dollar depreciates, yeah, drops, depreciates versus the Swiss franc, only because as I've said, the dollar index is overbought here, okay? After something like this is overbought, okay, right now in the short term. But as I've said, the dollar index could only retest these the immediate support levels before turning to the upside, and then US dollar versus the Swiss franc will jump higher as well, yeah, will resume its growth. But right now, even if the fundamentals today, unemployment claims from the United States better than expected, guys, and yeah, if you are, I don't know, if you want to trade only based on fundamentals, here is an example that not always the fundamentals will really work, maybe because I don't know, let's take a look on lower time frames, yeah. Maybe right after the US unemployment claims, I don't know, maybe you wanted to go long at market only because the US fundamentals, the unemployment claims came in better than expected. But please take a look, retreat, yeah. And yeah, that's why it's really important to understand, also maybe to use correlations, yeah, when you're trading the US dollar, to take a look on the dollar index as well, to use correlation, yeah. And when the dollar index increases, this market could jump higher as well, yeah. We have a strong positive correlation, not a perfect correlation, but we have a strong correlation, okay? US dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Thank you guys for your messages. Robert Fredrickson, Ethereum, bro. Yeah, I will take a look on Bitcoin and Ethereum later. US dollar, Japanese yen, please. Okay, yeah, I will take a look on this market right now. So the bias is bullish, guys, here. Okay, strong rally, leg higher, retreat. It has failed to approach to reach the 38.2, the uptrend line. Yeah, it has jumped, stabilizes above 23.6, new higher high, signaled potential upside continuation. So right now in the short term, I will look at something like this, an immediate uptrend line. One moment, because I want to invite more members. Yeah. So you can webinar. And we'll talk also about Bitcoin, Ethereum. So one moment. And we'll continue. I will take a look on all markets. Don't worry, guys. Okay, so here in the short term, something like an accumulation consolidation. Let's use also, yeah. Let's take a look on 15 minutes on the short term. So maybe we can use this former low, yeah, 123.50 as support, maybe, yeah. Or maybe this high, yeah, 123.67. Okay, the price failed. You can see that the price failed here to stabilize below this this former low. Only false breakdown, sideways movement, and here it has jumped and retested 123.67. And yen basket again. Yen basket. Yen basket is bearish, okay? Maintains a bearish bias here, and the pressure is still high. Let's go back. Yes, dollar Japanese yen, and also the dollar index, despite the temporary retreat, is bullish, okay? So something like this, because you can see here as well something like a sideways movement, an accumulation, consolidation before a new leg higher. The same and same here, accumulation, consolidation, maybe before a potential upwards movement, upside continuation. But something like this, natural gas. Yeah, maybe I will take a look on, after I will take a look on Swiss franc, Japanese yen, okay? So, in my opinion, the bias is bullish as long as it stays above the uptrend line. Its failure to approach, to reach, to retest it indicates strong buyers in the short term. But we'll have an immediate resistance here, 124.0505, okay? And also something like this, okay? So, it seems that maybe we'll have a value breakout here above this immediate downtrend line. Breakout, retest, a new higher high here, and jumping closing above 124.0505 could signal an upside continuation, okay? So this is my opinion here in US dollar versus the Japanese yen. The dollar index is still bullish, while the yen basket is still, I don't know, under bearish pressure, maintains a bearish bias, okay? So that's why, yeah, but as I've said, that's why it's really important to understand. Also here, I don't know if I will decide to go long, okay? Where should I place my entry, okay? I don't know, maybe maybe I want to see a value breakout here as well, okay? Or maybe I will go long after a new higher high, after, okay, breakout, retest, a new higher high, if the price will close above 123.98, okay? Or maybe, I don't know, maybe the price will come back to retest this level. So yeah, it's really important to have a really good setup, okay, strategy, and also where should I place my stop loss, okay? Maybe the price will continue to grow without coming back down, but yeah, should I place my my stop loss here, only here, after this retest? But if the price will come back down to retest the uptrend line before jumping higher, it will close my position and stop loss. Or should I place maybe the stop loss here, okay, below these former lows? Because yeah, in the short term, maybe we'll have also retest here or something before extending its growth, okay? So yeah, this is my opinion here in US dollar, Japanese yen. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Why do you want to trade why do you want to trade on this market? I will delete everything. So yeah, please take a look. Yeah, the bias is bullish, and yeah, temporary retreats, temporary corrections, and but right now let's take a look again on 1 hour. You have to be careful, guys, here. In the short term, we can talk about something like a resistance area, resistance zone here, maybe. Yeah. Don't forget, guys, if you are only a free member, if you want to join us, yeah, you can access the link posted right below this video to join us for £35 per month. Also, yeah, I will share the link if you want to join us. I will share the link into the YouTube chat. So Swiss franc, Japanese yen, 1 hour. In my opinion, it's risky here, right below this area. So yeah, strong upwards movement. Yeah, temporary retreat here. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. Something like this. Yeah. It's failure to stabilize below the 23.6 invalidated potential correction here. And also here we had something like this, like let's see, like this. Okay, a flag, a down channel continuation pattern. Okay, breakout, maybe here something like a retest, and yeah, here maybe only false breakout, and here valid breakout above 132.36, and right now it has retested this level 132.36. Of course, as long as it stays above it, above the pivot point, the bias is bullish, but I don't know. Let's take a look. Yeah, or something like this. We can let's keep this this uptrend line here. Here I'm talking on in the short term. So breakout below the immediate uptrend line, breakout above below this second uptrend line. So that's why I've said that it's risky maybe to go long here right now, as long as it stays below this broken uptrend line, below 133.18. In the short term, I don't know, it could move sideways, it could extend its growth only if the yen basket will drop deeper. Okay, so this is my opinion here in the short term. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. So no, I don't have something really good on this market. Actually, I'm not I'm not trading on this market, so that's why I had to build something, to build an analysis from zero here. But yeah, this is my opinion right now here. Okay, yeah, the bias is still bullish, and only a new lower low could maybe signal a downside movement or something here on this market. Okay, natural gas. Let's take a look. I don't know. Natural gas. Natural gas. CFD. Let's take a look. So, yeah, I will delete my drawings. Also here, potential resistance zone, resistance area here on natural gas. Yeah. And here, guys, on the 4-hour chart, something like a bearish engulfing. I will show it. I will so yeah, let's take a look on daily as well. Yeah, so key levels, historical levels, only false breakout here. So yeah, we are right below this resistance zone, resistance area, 6.33, 6.37, 6.51. And here on daily, you can see a false breakout with great separation. After this strong rally, and after this amazing rally, we cannot exclude potential retreat here on Australian dollar, US dollar. Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. Thank you guys. Today I will try to answer to all your questions. I'm here to take a look on those markets. Critical view on US 30. Yeah, we'll take a look on that critical for you. After I will take a look on Australian dollar, because yeah, I will try to answer to all your questions. Today is not about it. It is I will try to answer to your questions. I will not take a look on actually maybe we'll take a look on all markets. Yeah. So in my opinion, this is bearish engulfing here after reaching the resistance area. But don't forget that we could have here only a temporary retreat, temporary drop. Yeah, maybe the price of natural gas will come back. Maybe, I don't know, to retest the uptrend line before. Maybe trying to take out this resistance. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look also on 1 hour to see if we have something. $6.0303 as support, in my opinion. Yeah, something like this. Also maybe we could have something like this, like an uptrend, immediate uptrend line, or I don't know, you can draw it something like this, but no. So in the short term, as I've said, after this amazing rally and after reaching resistance, we cannot exclude temporary retreat. But right now, I don't see something like an opportunity to go short or something, as long as it stays above 6.03 or something. So I'll wait here. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, sell off, medium line retest, but maybe only a new lower low could activate a potential drop here on natural gas in the short term. Okay, because if it stays above this level and sideways movement, valid breakout here, maybe a new higher high could signal potential growth. Okay, so no, I don't have an opinion. This is my analysis here on natural gas. I'm not trading this commodity. So yeah, I've developed something here, like an analysis in the short term, something to have a clue here. But yeah, this is my opinion here. Yeah, and I don't know, sideways movement here, test, retest, false breakouts, I don't know, valid breakdowns below the immediate uptrend lines could activate a potential larger correction. But in the short term, maybe we'll have only temporary retreats. Maybe the price will come back to retest the immediate support levels. Yeah, before it will I don't know, turn to the upside. Okay, Australian dollar, US dollar, and then I will take a look on US 30. Thank you guys. So sorry. I don't know, I don't like the price section here right now. Yeah, strong rally here, temporary, maybe temporary retreat, or actually yeah, it has failed to stabilize above 0.7555. But we have static support here around 0.7466. Yeah, let's retest false breakdowns before this upside movement. Let's use on ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. Let's use yeah, it has failed to hit 150% Fibonacci line, and right now sell off. Let's go back. Dollar index. Personally, as I've said, Giovanni, Mark, hi, how are you? Yeah, please take a look here, guys. Dollar index, as I've said, maintains a bullish bias despite temporary retreats, even if the dollar index showed oversold signs, and a new higher high, upside breakout, upside continuation could maybe force Giovanni Mac, your analysis on US dollar Mexican peso was good, still valid, the massive upside with 19.7 support. I will take a look. Thank you, Giovanni Mac. Yeah, I've talked about a falling wedge, a reversal, a bullish reversal on US dollar versus the Mexican peso in the previous days. Yeah, I will take a look on that market for you, Giovanni. Thank you. Today, yeah, I will try to answer to all your questions, guys. That's why I'm here. So, yeah, Australian dollar, US dollar. Australian dollar. Don't forget that tomorrow I will go live as well. No, I don't have something right now. I'm sorry, because after something like this, massive drop, maybe we had something here after this, after something like this, after these candles. But right now I don't have something in Australian dollar, US dollar, unfortunately. Sharif, because it is almost to hit 0.7466, this support, potential support, okay? And also the dollar index is right below resistance, is and yeah, I don't know, after something like this we cannot exclude rebound, yeah, in the short term. I don't know, let's wait, because it could also register only false breakdowns here. I don't know, after such a massive drop, I don't know if the price, the pair will or the sellers will have enough energy to push the price below the 0.7466 and to keep it there, okay? So yeah, no, I don't have a setup, I don't have really good I don't know, this is my opinion here, but I don't know, I don't want to sell it here, I don't want to go long here, so I don't have something, I don't have anything good right now on this market. I'll wait to see how the price will react here around 0.7466, okay? Before, I don't know, maybe I will identify something, maybe in the short term, if of course, one moment, yeah, downtrend line, okay, as long as it stays above below this downtrend line, the bias is bearish. Let's also use downside line. So we have something like a channel here, okay? And of course, a down channel could represent a bullish pattern, okay? But yeah, we'll have to wait for a value breakout from this pattern. Right now, only false breakouts above this downtrend line, and I don't know, new lower low here. So 0.7474 as support, static support in the short term. A value breakout above it. This could be only I don't know, sideways movement here, something like a range, a distribution before a downside continuation. So yeah, and if you want to go long, I told you 0.7466 as support maybe, but personally maybe I'll want to see a value breakout above the downtrend line and the price to stay above this support. Yeah. So right now in the short term the bias is bearish, is still bearish as long as it stays below it, because the dollar index is bullish. Okay, US 30, and then I will take a look on US dollar versus the Mexican peso for Giovanni. Thank you, Giovanni. Okay, so US 30. US 30. US 30, yeah, I've talked about US 100 earlier. One, two, and three. Please take a look. Sorry. So test retest of the medium line, breakout. It has jumped towards the upper medium line, and here it has failed to stabilize above it. And then let's use a descending pitchfork. I will select another color for this one. Yeah. But unfortunately it has failed here to retest the upper medium line. Yeah, breakout. No. Yeah, maybe I will delete it. And let's take a look here on 4 hour. So unfortunately it has failed here to stabilize above 34,898. Breakdown, retest. Here this bearish engulfing right on the 34,898. Yeah, we had this former high. Signaled maybe potential deeper drop. Breakdown here below 34,567. Test, retest, false breakouts, and right now another maybe something here. In the short term, US 30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, in my opinion, is strongly bearish, only because also the dollar index is bullish. The US dollar is bullish in the short term. Okay, so it is not a perfect correlation, but maybe when I'm expecting the US dollar to appreciate, okay, when I'm expecting the dollar index to register a strong growth, maybe I don't want to be long on the US equities, okay. Maybe I don't want to go short either, but yeah, maybe I'm using this correlation. It's important for me, okay. You can use it if you want, but so in the short term, so let's use also this level. So yeah, it could approach and reach 34,092 maybe soon after something like this breakdown here below the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, after failing to stay above this level, above S2. So weekly S2 34,082, or maybe this former high as support, static support 34,092 as downside target. Yeah, right now the bias is bearish, strongly bearish right now, but yeah, it's too late to sell it right now, maybe because it could hit this this support. Maybe we had something here. Yeah, we had maybe an opportunity here. Yeah, this flag, guys. But yeah, this is my opinion here in yeah, S&P. Okay, US 500 before Bitcoin, bro. Okay, before I will talk about S&P and Bitcoin, I will take a look on US dollar Mexican peso for Giovanni. I don't know. Let's draw a descending or a downtrend line here. Let's clone it and let's put it here. Okay, we had only a false breakdown here. It has rallied. It has actually after developing this high here, we have a down channel, and yeah, here, in my opinion, in the short term, closing and staying below the channel's downside line and below 34,333 could signal potential downside continuation, deeper drop here in the short term. But don't forget that yeah, this candle, actually 1 hour candle, will be closed in 33 minutes and 41 seconds, 40 seconds. I don't believe that will have but you'll have to wait. I don't know, but I don't think that maybe this breakdown will be invalidated by a major bullish engulfing or something. But yeah, anything could happen because the dollar index is still here, and I don't know, strong drop here could force the US 30 to turn to the upside. Yeah. US dollar Mexican peso for Giovanni. How are you, Giovanni? And 19.7 support. So yeah, personally I've had this one for myself as a setup. So 19.7 as whoa. So Giovanni, personally I've talked about this support zone, former lows, yeah, demand zone, demand area. And here in the short term, I talked about this. Yeah, we had a strong downside movement. Okay, and I said that after something like this, we may have something like a new leg higher rebound or something. So falling wedge, yeah, a falling wedge pattern here. Okay, in the short term, falling wedge. And also personally, I've drawn a major pitchfork, ascending pitchfork. Unfortunately, the price failed to retest here my my lower medium line. But 1, 2, and 3, like this, a minor ascending pitchfork, something like this. Let's take a look on 15 minutes. Yeah, maybe like this. Yeah, it's not the perfect one because yeah, the price registered here a false breakdown. Maybe I will delete it. Yeah, and I will go back on 1 hour. So I've talked about this falling wedge pattern as a bullish pattern, as a reversal pattern. You can see here that the price okay, something like this, breakout, retest, and here a new retest. And this candle, guys, here, this strong bullish candle, yeah, signal at the potential growth here. Yeah, this is not, maybe, yeah, we can talk maybe in the short term, but about, I don't know, potential, but no, it's not a perfect one. About the potential, yeah, inverse head and shoulders here, okay? Breakout, yeah, but the price didn't retested the neckline. So something like this. After this massive drop, demand zone here, falling wedge, okay, so something like a confluence trading here, and retest, false breakdown with great separation, strong candle. It has signaled potential rebound here on this market. And Giovanni Fibonacci retracement here. So right now, US dollar versus the Mexican peso jumped above the 23.6, 20.139. It has retested the weekly R1, and right now it tries to accumulate more bullish energy, in my opinion, okay, and stabilizing above 23.6 and a new higher high. Yeah, I would like to see here sideways movement, test, retest of the R1 of the 23.6, or actually a range flag, yeah, or something like a continuation pattern, and followed by a new higher high here, a valid breakout, could signal potential upside continuation here, okay? So yeah, this one was a really good one in the short term. That's why it's really important, guys, to watch all my videos. You can learn a lot from my webinars, yeah, videos, daily market breakdowns, daily video analysis. I don't know, it's really important, because maybe you will identify great opportunities and setups, ideas, trading ideas, even if maybe I will not place a trade, maybe because I want to, I need another confirmation. I'll wait for confirmation, for a strong confirmation, because but you can still identify maybe great opportunities from all my videos. Yeah, you can learn a lot from these videos, okay? So something like this, and maybe potential targets, maybe here around 38.2, the 50% Fibonacci line of the ascending pitchfork. And but Giovanni, don't forget that after this amazing rally, the price dropped right below the immediate uptrend line, okay? So as I've said, we may have an upside continuation if the price stays above the 23.6, above the R1, sideways movement, upside breakout, a new higher high could signal potential growth. Don't forget that only that we have a range here, maybe. Actually, yeah, we have a range pattern, and here don't forget that only test, retest, false breakouts could signal potential downside breakout and sell-off. Okay, also this could be only a retest here, and a new lower low could signal potential drop, but yeah, maybe we'll have only a potential drop before, yeah, resuming its growth or something. So yeah, this is my opinion here in US dollar versus the Mexican peso for Giovanni. Okay, so US 100, and then yeah, I said that I will take a look on Bitcoin. So US 500, yeah, sell off here as well. Please take a look. 1, 2, and 3, an ascending pitchfork. Let's use Fibonacci retracement here. Yeah. its failure to stay, yeah, okay. $45.93, guys, yeah, key level. And here personally I've had an ascending pitchfork 1, 2 and 3 test, retest of the upper medium line and its failure to take out this dynamic resistance. Here is failure to stay above 45.93. Yeah, retest of this level, and right now it has escaped from the ascending pitchfork's body. Let's clone this one, and here as well, like on the US30, I believe. Yeah, so down channel breakdown, retest, and right now we are below the channel's downside line, below the S1. I don't know, this could represent a downside continuation pattern. Let's wait, guys. Triangle, yeah, triangle, a minor triangle here, but we need value breakdown here. Okay, new lower low, value breakdown, and maybe it will activate a deeper drop in the short term. I'm a little tired. I was live here for, whoa, more than 1 hour and 10 minutes. Okay, but yeah, I will stay here live. If you have more questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please guys don't forget to like this video. It will be helpful for me to the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, it's highly appreciated. So yeah, in my opinion, the pressure is still high as long as it stays below weekly S1. After its failure to stabilize above this level, it could be only a retest, but maybe we'll need a new lower low here to activate a deeper drop. 44.69. Yeah, as support, static support, immediate support. Yeah, let's use also 150% Fibonacci line. Yeah, great. You can see once again how the price respects natural natural gas. Nasdaq. I've talked about Nasdaq, but I will take a look again. So 150% Fibonacci line. Please take a look how the price tests, retests these lines. So the upper medium line, the medium line. Right now it has found support on the 150% Fibonacci line. Value breakdown below it, staying below the downside line, below the S1. Good. Yeah. Open the door for a deeper drop, and I don't know. We can use the first warning line as a potential next downside target or something. Okay. Okay, US 100. I've talked about this market earlier today, and I've talked about a minor. I talked about a minor triangle here, about a potential range, and I've talked about, I don't know, potential support here. Only because we have the 38.2, 14,394, the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. So I don't know, maybe I'll wait here. Yeah, the price maybe could still hit the lower medium line after its failure, yeah, in the previous attempt, but maybe I want to see a very breakdown also below the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. This is the ascending pitchfork. Okay, this is the ascending 1, 2 and 3. And also technically, after maybe failing to stabilize above the upper medium line, it could make a valid breakdown below the lower medium line and it could drop, but we need confirmation. We need confirmation. Right now, US dollar, sorry, US 100 drops. Yeah, dollar index is still move sideways. Euro US dollar. Yeah, still under pressure. US dollar, Swiss franc. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's still there. Maybe I will come back with a trade here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. I don't know. British pound. Yeah. Okay. Strong rally here on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. We had something here. A descending pitchfork, guys. It's failure to stay below the medium line. It's failure to hit to reach to retest it. Breakout, retest, and here breakout. Yeah, I've missed an opportunity here. But unfortunately, maybe, yeah. Last night we had the FOMC meeting minutes. That report. Okay, high impact event. You can see that it has registered sharp movements in both directions in the short term. And yeah, maybe here breakout, new higher high, upside continuation. Yeah, but maybe maybe I will catch something here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Okay, maybe. But right now the dollar index is still undecided in the short term. Yeah. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, same as Australian dollar, US dollar, maybe near support. I don't have something really good right now. Or maybe I will come back with something here on US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah. I really wanted to open a trade here live. But maybe I'll wait here to see how the price, the yen basket will react here around this downtrend line. Yeah, staying below it, a new lower low could really open the door, could activate a larger drop. And I've said that I will take a look also on Euro Japanese yen. Sideways movement. This is still good. I've talked about this market in a daily video analysis in the previous days. And I've talked about something like this, about the 23.6, about this flag, about this flag, about this down channel as a potential upside continuation pattern, about the bullish pattern, because the price failed here to stabilize below the 23.6. It has failed to activate a larger drop correction. So maybe I'm looking for longs, for new buying opportunities here on this market. Yeah. Of course, if the yen basket will really confirm a deeper drop. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and I will talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. Yeah, a falling wedge, breakout, upside continuation. Yeah, I've had a long position here and I've closed it here after this false breakout here above the weekly pivot point, retest, and here I've said that it's risky to keep it only because Orlando had also a long position in British pound, Japanese yen. It was risky to keep two short positions on the Japanese yen with full risk. And so that's why I've decided to manage my position with 8 pips a loss here right below break even. Yeah, it has dropped a little before this this rally. Today I was looking at something like a new long opportunity, but right now we had something like this here, guys. Okay, I've talked with Orlando about this flag here. Okay, even if the price, yeah, okay, correction, strong correction, it has reached its former highs here as support zone, also the pivot point. I didn't want it to go long here, only because I've identified this flag. You can see that the price retested the upside line, forced breakouts, and right now breakdown. So yeah, it was a great decision to stay away. Yeah. Yeah. $100 Japanese yen. Now it's still there. It could still drop. This could still be only a temporary rebound here, but let's wait. Yeah, to see how the yen basket will react in the short term. Also here I was looking for something for buying opportunity, but please take a look. That's retest of the lower medium line, and we are here above the weekly pivot point. But as I've said, only false breakout. So we had this this former high as resistance here, and right now, only because the yen basket rallied, here the pressure is high, and this could be only a temporary rebound before dropping deeper. Yeah, here on this market, Bitcoin. Unfortunately, it has failed to stay here above the channel's upside line. Breakdown below 46,897, test retest, only false breakouts, and also its failure to stay above the uptrend line, a retest, and strong sell-off. Okay, strong sell-off. But please take a look here. We have something like a new channel descending channel, down channel, potential flag. So downside line as support, as dynamic support, medium line as dynamic support, 50% retracement level as static support, and 42,000. No. Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah, and also this level, this former highest static support. We have a correction. Do you trade with? No, but yeah, maybe I will take a look on that market tomorrow when I'll host another live trading session, and I really hope that tomorrow I will be able to open live trades as well, because unfortunately today I didn't. I don't have something really good right now. That's why I'll still have. I still need confirmation. I'll wait. So yeah. A support zone in my opinion here, but let's wait, because this could still be only a temporary rebound before dropping deeper. But if it will maybe stabilize here, test retest, sideways movement, I don't know. Yeah, and the valid breakout could signal that the downside movement is over, and that the price of Bitcoin could come back at least towards the downside line. Sorry, downtrend line, towards the channel's resistance. Okay, guys, Yeah, also an uptrend line here. So I'll wait to see how the price of Bitcoin will react here around the 50% retracement level, 42,591. Yeah, because from here, if it moves sideways, retest here, it could develop a new leg higher. Okay. Danny, I saw your message. Yeah, US 100. You said that US 100 is a sell. Let's wait. Or actually, you can do whatever you want. It's your trading account. It's your call. It's your strategy, your approach. But for me, right now, I'll wait. Personally, I'll wait here. Yeah. Because if something like this will happen, if the price will register false breakdown, we also have a strong confluence area here, big and false breakdown with great separation or a major bullish engulfing. Only false breakdown through this confluence area here could signal a potential new leg higher. Okay. Yeah, and only a valid breakdown through a confluence area could signal deeper drop. Paolo, hi, how are you? Unfortunately, I will have to end this webinar here right now. I was live, I don't know, for more than 1 hour and 20 minutes. Yeah, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, for joining me here. I will come back tomorrow. I will host another live webinar. I will try to identify potential setups right before. Okay, I'm also waiting. Okay, so I'll try to identify potential setups before my live webinar. Because I really want to place maybe at least a trade during tomorrow's webinar. Thank you guys again. Don't forget to like this this video, this webinar, and yeah, have a great day. Please be patient. Yeah, and yeah, have a great day. And I will come back maybe, I don't know, later if I'll have something really good on the US dollar, on the Japanese yen. I don't know. Paolo, you also give free signals on your Telegram. Paolo, if you are only a free member and if you are only on the free Telegram group, yeah, we share, I don't know, maybe 20% of our trades also on the free group. Okay, and yeah, you will find free trades on the free group as well. But it's important to get all our trades, because not only 20%, because we don't know which trade will take profit, which trade will hit stop loss, which trade will be good or bad. So yeah, it's important to have all our trades, even if we have a bad period, I don't know, with bad trades, with I don't know, it's important to get all our trades. Yeah, we are working on something right now. We'll change maybe our approach, strategy, and yeah, unfortunately on the free group you will get only I don't know, one free trade per week, 2 trades per week, free trades, or I don't know, maybe Danny, you helped so much to understand the market. I took 2 trades and made profit while okay, okay. You will have to buy me a beer for this, Danny, one day maybe. Okay, thank you guys. I'm kidding. Thank you guys. Have a great day, and I will come back with maybe potential trades later today or tomorrow. And don't forget that I will host another webinar tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.